Hello friends, welcome to Anu's Hobby Lobby. Today I'm gonna share with you all Indo-Mexican black bean rice. Firstly, I would like to thank everyone who is supporting my channel and following. And if you're new to my channel and like the content, please do subscribe and share it with your friends. And would love to hear the suggestions from you, so please do leave a comment in the comment box. So let's get started on the Indo-Mexican rice recipe. So here I'm taking 1/4 cup of black beans, soak overnight or 4 to 6 hours at least, and then take out the water and you can pressure cook it separately, or as I'm doing it in the instant pot, I'm cooking along with the rice. So I'm taking 1 cup of rice here. You can take any rice, basmati, jasmine, or regular rice would do. So in instant pot, once you turn on the saute mode, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil and then finely chopped garlic. Half small onion finely chopped. 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and a teaspoon of salt. Once the onions are cooked properly, then you can add 2 to 3 tablespoons of tomato puree. Add half teaspoon of red chili powder and half teaspoon of cumin and coriander powder. Mix well. Also adding about half teaspoon of oregano here. 1/4 teaspoon of red chili flakes. You can adjust the spice levels as per your taste as well, and I'm adding black pepper, crushed black pepper, and then add the black beans. You can add canned black beans as well, but I prefer the soaked ones. And then I'm adding water, about 2 cups of water here. Add required amount of salt. Close the lid and bring the water to a boil. Once water is boiling, you can add the rice. At last, I'm adding some freshly chopped coriander or cilantro, as well as squeezed lemon juice. You can check the water taste finally and add required amount of salt and spices if needed, and then close the lid. We'll turn it on into manual for 9 minutes and on sealing mode. So while it's cooking, let's start preparing the guacamole as well as Mexican salsa. So for preparing guacamole, we'll be taking 1 avocado and then cut it into half and scoop it. We can mash a little bit with a spoon and also add a teaspoon of oil, some salt, crushed black pepper, about 2 to 3 garlic pods, a teaspoon of cilantro or coriander, and then some lemon juice as well. Then we'll make it as a side dip. So put it into a blender and make it as fine paste. Under the sun. Our guacamole dipping is ready. Let's make Mexican salsa now. So for that, in a blender, I'm adding 2 garlic pods and roughly chopped tomatoes. I'm taking Roma tomatoes here, so you can take a choice of tomatoes. About 2 tomatoes here. For spiciness, I'm adding one jalapeno. Instead of green chilies, I'm adding jalapeno here. So we'll de-seed the jalapeno. We'll roughly chop it and put it in the blender as well. Add a teaspoon of lemon juice and half roughly chopped onion, some freshly chopped coriander or cilantro as well, and then we'll blend it using a hand blender. Mix well once in between, and then for additional spices, like I'm adding about half teaspoon of red chili powder, and then again blend it. So we are looking at this consistency, not very smooth or not too rough. So let's check on the rice. As you can see, the instant pot pressure has been released. So open the lid and check on the rice. So as you can see, the rice is cooked perfectly. Let's take it into a bowl and check the taste. So it's all ready now with the side dips as well. So I hope you like this video. Please do try it and let me know how it turned out to you in the comments box, and do let me know any suggestions or any tips if needed, so that I can incorporate in my future videos as well. So looking forward for your support. Here is the final dish with a full platter of Indo-Mexican rice and tortilla chips, Mexican salsa, and guacamole and sour cream. So I hope you like this video. Please do try and share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching.